Alright, so here's what it looks like inside the truck. This is with my GoPro mounted to my refrigerator. You're going to get to see the top of my bald head, and this is with the laptop set up. I was doing some video editing just a little bit ago, and the iPad playing YouTube videos as I'm editing my own videos. Some other time I'll get a full wrap around, or maybe I'll stop the camera and get a full wrap around of what it looks like in here, but I wanted you to see an overview of what it looks like because I'm about to make myself some food, and I'll put this up here. The microwave is right here, and you can't really see it, but here, let me adjust the camera. There you go. I don't have an extension cord in here for it anymore. Ouch, that hurt. This is what's called a steering wheel desk. It's supposed to hook on your steering wheel, but I use it back here on top of my drawer as a desk. Oh, that really hurt. And I cut the lip off of it, so it's sharp. But anyway, the plug is down there. So what I'm going to have to do is take the laptop down, move the mouse back here, pull the microwave out, I forgot I bought this, and plug the microwave in. Down here where the APU plug is, knuckles. So there you go, got the microwave plugged in. You heard it beep, and now I got to get my, that's right, I moved them, SpaghettiOs and bowls, lower bowls. I use 2 bowls on the bottom. And when you buy SpaghettiOs for in the truck, memory card, buy the quick release tabs, so you don't have to have a can opener. I don't know if you can see them with no light. There you go, you can kind of see it. Buy it with the tab, so you just pull it and open it up. There, and turned on the fluorescent light above my head. Let me double check real quick. Yeah, see, top bowl, so the SpaghettiOs don't blast all over the inside of the microwave, and the microwave is all jacked up. This rattles. Usually I have a paper towel in there, but I don't right now. So as you can see, the plates all moved around in there and stuff. But let me open these SpaghettiOs and try and do so without them going all over the place. May 1st, 2021. So they're still good. I'm going to set this down here because I'm going to have to wipe it up anyway. And get myself a fork. Actually, get myself a spoon. Plastic spoon. Lid. Hate that. set that up there for right now. Now, I'm sure you can hear the APU running, probably better than you can hear me talking, but the APU has a 4,000 kilowatt generator on it, so it will run the microwave just fine. I'm pretty sure I've had it on with the AC on before. The AC is under the bed here, so let me refresh myself on how long these need to be in there for. There you go. 1.5 to 2 minutes. And this is a like 700 watt microwave, so I'm going to go with 1:45. Start. And we didn't lose the AC. I didn't even hear it kick down. I wouldn't have lost it anyway, but didn't even hear it kick down. But while it's doing that, let me take this GoPro out of the mount. And there's the rest of the truck. Stand up. That's for a TV, which I don't have. And this is my upper bunk. This is actually the liner for this closet over here. I'm going to show you here in a minute. My bed's not made. Sorry. I ran early this morning, then I went back to bed at a shipper, and they woke me up, and I jumped up out of bed quick to get back into load. And there's my clothes. This is just a filing cabinet right here that holds my socks in the top and my underwear in the bottom. And this is the refrigerator. That's the GoPro mount I just had it mounted to, and my refrigerator is empty and turned off, and for whatever reason the shelf is falling out of it, so we'll just put that back in there. I don't know why it's falling out of there. Yeah, well, got some mustard in there that's going to get thrown away that I didn't know was still in there. That's a freezer. I don't have nothing in it, and like I said, right now my refrigerator's turned off because I haven't used it at all lately. And the nuker is done, so we will throw that up there. I think I'm just going to throw this other old bowl away. Set that up out of the way. And let me put the GoPro back in the mount. And normally I eat at a restaurant, but the truck stop I'm at, the restaurant's closed because there's still quarantining going on, and they haven't opened the restaurant back up here yet, so I could get some microwavable food out of the store, but I don't really need to because I had a couple cans of SpaghettiOs left. This microwave has had a lot of stuff riding on it over the years. Oh, the AC just kicked down. Just kicked the compressor on. Oh, wow. So anyway, now I'm going to unplug the microwave and put it back up here in its hole. It always amazes me how many people don't know that this kind of stuff is in trucks. I also have an inverter, but my inverter's not hooked up right now. But an inverter converts DC to AC, meaning that it converts car electricity into house electricity, essentially. And it's mounted behind this cabinet right here under my bunk. And my bunk is extremely crammed full of stuff right now, so I'm not going to lift it up. Maybe some other time. Drop a comment if you'd like to see it. I actually need to rewire it because it has gotten some corrosion in the wiring and stuff, and it was, well, I was told it was causing issues with batteries that I was having issues with, but I don't think that's what was causing the issues. But anyway, I'm going to rewire it, and I want to get a new inverter too. So drop a comment if you'd like to see it, and let me know what you'd like to see. But anyway, so that's a brief tour of the inside of the truck. Of course, driver's seat, 20-inch steering wheel. The radio's on because I was listening to my YouTube videos. I'm pulled into a parking spot. That is Interstate 74 out there. And we are in Indiana, Greensburg, Indiana. So, I'm going to eat said food and maybe do some more editing. But I will probably just chill out and watch some videos for a while. I don't like to sit in the bunk. I usually sit up there, but I need to get a workstation for the laptop so that I can operate it up there in the seat, because I don't like sitting on my bed to do work or even watch videos. That's why I don't have a TV. So anyway, drop me a comment. Tell me what you'd like to hear. Anything you'd like to see on the truck specifically, and I'll do my best to accommodate. Appreciate it.